What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to chat on eHarmony dating website, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another video. So guys, let's say you found somebody on eHarmony that you want to send a message to, and exactly how to do it. Well, basically really nice and easy steps, so I'm gonna be teaching you immediately. So basically, let's say you have some new matches and you want to basically send a message. First of all, an easy way is go to the messages over here and press on let's go. Then what you need to do is select who you want to message, just press on them, and over here we are having this message option, and just type in basically just type in your message. So let's say over here, just press send, and basically that's the way from here. On the home page, or if you're having any matches, so you can easily send a message. Also, just press on the person you want to message, just press message option and press send message or whatever. So as you can see, quite an easy way to send messages on this dating platform. So there are loads and loads of tips and tricks. We are gonna show you everything you need to know, and also you can write down in the comment section down below what would you like us to film next and what topic should we cover. So guys, as always, thank you so much for watching, and as I mentioned earlier, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. Guys, thank you for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.